How to backup all your Chrome data, bookmarks and settings. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can backup all of your Chrome data, including your settings and bookmarks. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step you'll need to do is open up your Google Chrome. After you open up your Google Chrome, you should see your profile icon on the top right corner. Tap on it and there you should find an option that says turn on sync. All you need to do is turn on the sync, and after you turn on the sync, as it says right here, it'll back up your stuff such as bookmarks, autofills, extensions, history and stuff like that. Now tap on yes, I'm in, and it should start. And with that, your Google Chrome settings, your Google Chrome data and your bookmarks and stuff like that, everything are now backed up. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Do not forget to hit the like button and also do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.